gonna have a quick video going. So what's on the menu is we having hamburger steak. I need to wash it up. Hamburger steaks and gravy with rice and green beans. Just something quick, you know, because it's about to rain. It says it's a thunderstorm today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the way. Hold on. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out the way. Before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Most definitely subscribe, y'all. It costs nothing to subscribe, and it most definitely costs nothing to like. So come on over and show your girls some love so I can get my subscribers back. On the count of being out and off. So go ahead and share this so you can get this recipe, because y'all, trust and believe me, it's gonna be fire. Trust and believe that it is. So right now, guys, I'm cutting up this bell pepper. I'm gonna just do a little bit, just to cut it up and put it in my meat. If you don't like bell peppers, if you don't have any bell peppers, trust me, you don't have to put it in. This is optional. This is just for seasoning. Normally I don't put it in, but I am going to do it now. I'm going to add a little bit into my meat. Yeah, don't ask me why I'm using paper plates. Don't even do it. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then I understand. So go ahead and watch my previous videos so you will know why I don't have any dishes yet. Okay. So I'm almost done chopping this up. Everything you see in my background, minus the dishwashing liquid, is going into my seasoning and my gravy. So yes, I'm doing homemade gravy also. If you ain't making homemade gravy, then what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna put this in my meat, and I'm also gonna put some in my gravy because I love onions, so it's going in everything. Make sure y'all rinsing off your vegetables. You don't know who hands been touching it. It's also not a good idea to use plastic plates because it'll be alright though, until I get some. If you want to send me some, you can do that also. I'm just gonna, you know, this is all I'm doing. It's just, I'm not cooking a whole bunch. Not cooking a lot. My hamburger meat is thin froze. Hold on, let me give me some hamburger meat out of here, cause it's still froze and I've been handing it out all day. This is crazy. What's wrong, buddy? Y'all, if y'all hamburger meat froze, y'all know what to do. Just go ahead and scrape some out the top of it. Cause that's exactly what I'm doing. I have to work with it. let it sit out a few more minutes before I start, you know, cooking with it. But I'm gonna put my seasoning on it while it's sitting out, because look at it. Thought I'd left it out long enough. I put it back in the refrigerator. I guess my refrigerator turned up too hot. Be enough right there, because I'm not, you know, like I said, I'm not cooking a whole lot. I'm gonna dump my onion and bell pepper. I'm gonna add my seasoning salt. I'm not gonna add a lot of seasoning salt because I'm gonna add in my beef bouillon. I'm gonna add that in. I'm gonna add in my complete season. Y'all don't have to add in the same seasonings that I add in my food. Whatever seasoning y'all like to add in y'all food, do that. This is just what I use. I like to use a little bit of this. For some reason, this is my favorite season. I put this on everything, y'all. This is Kinder Butter Steakhouse. I put that on everything. Garlic powder. You can also add in mixed garlic, chopped garlic, onion powder. I don't have, you know, I just put it in, y'all. Just put it in. Black pepper. Put it into your liking. You don't have to put a lot. A little goes a long way. So I'm gonna put. I like to put it in my meat, and I'm also adding in my gravy. So I'm gonna mix this up and let it sit just a little bit, so you know it won't be froze when I fry it. So I will be back. This is how it look right now, y'all, till I stir it up, mix it up. And I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, y'all. Now my meat has set. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make me some patties and go ahead and start frying them. I'm not gonna make them too big. They're not gonna be perfect, and they most definitely not gonna be the same size. So you can make them how you want to make them. You can make them how big you want to make them, or how little, or how thick or thin. It's mine. I don't have no grease in the skillet because it's gonna make its own grease. And this video is not going to be too long. I just want to show you how I make my hamburger steaks, or Salisbury steak, whatever you want to call them. I call them hamburger steak. Just showing you how I make them and how I'm going to make my gravy. I already got my string beans cooking. Now, when my since it don't take long for my rice to cook, I'm going to cook those last. Cook that last, because it's only going to take like 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, I'm finna show y'all my meat. I'm putting flour in for my gravy right now. Let that cook a little bit and brown up. Okay, I just went ahead and put the flour, cut up some onions, and put it in the grease that I fried my hamburgers with. I might want some more. too much in. What you doing? Fire truck down. I just want to cook it a little bit to get this, to keep the rawness out the flour. And also wanted to get brown just a little bit more. So I'm gonna turn it on medium. And let that go some more. Just constantly stir, y'all, so it won't burn, because it will burn. And you don't want your gravy tasting like burnt meat. See, now I turn my eye on medium. So now it's cooking. Okay guys, now I'm about to add some water into this. I've turned my eye on medium. Stir to make sure that it's to your consistency. If there's enough water, you know, so all the chunks and lumps will be out of it, y'all. Make sure y'all consistently stir. Stir consistently, y'all. Like right here, you see how it's sticking it up. All right, it's time for my cornbread to come out now. Okay, guys. I'm gonna come back and let you guys see how I want it. I gotta get this cornbread out. Okay, loves. So now I'm about to season my gravy. I got onion powder. I got garlic powder. I have black pepper. I have the chicken bouillon. I'm gonna put a little bit of that. A little chicken. A little beef. And my other ingredient, which is the chicken bouillon cube, I'm gonna put half of that. Probably not even half. I'll show you guys. See that? I'm gonna break that. That's all you need. So now let me stir it up and make sure it's enough. I have enough water, you know, so it won't be too thick. I don't want it real thick. I want it in between. And to be honest, y'all don't need to put salt in here because of the. You don't need to put salt in it because of the bouillon cube. And don't worry about if you see brown bits in your gravy. Okay, guys, here's my hamburger meat, my hamburgers. Now I'm gonna put them in here in my gravy. I don't know, y'all might want to cook some more hamburger steaks. But yeah, like I'm saying, y'all, if y'all see little bits in your gravy, it's just the meat from the bottom of the pan. That's just flavor. And also, guys, I added the rest of my bouillon cube, and I added some more of the beef bouillon cube and a little bit more garlic powder, and that's it. And y'all, it's perfect. And I added some more water, and it is perfect. Now I'm gonna let this cook and start my rice, and I'll be done, y'all. And I'll show y'all my plate once I'm finished. But first, let me show y'all this consistency. Look. This is how you want it. Some may like theirs loose, some like theirs thicker. I like mine like this. with a whole bunch of flavor. Now I'm gonna let that cook. And like I said, I'm gonna start on my rice. I'm done with everything else. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. See you guys in another video. Love you. Stay safe and stay blessed.